This is our nursing mobile simulation lab. Nurses use a tremendous amount of simulation in order to be able to teach critical thinking and advanced skills to students in a safe environment. We discovered that simulation can be integral to their learning. She opens her eyes, she talks to you, she makes noise, she coughs, she throws up. You can use voiceover, so the simulator who's controlling it can actually voice through the mannequin, and it's all being recorded. And that's probably one of the key things that makes simulation so much more effective. They learn by watching their own mistakes or by watching what they did correctly. We can bring this out and the students can practice on those higher acuity type patients. It also can be for experienced nurses and other medical professionals that need to practice these high acuity, low frequency skills.
Our first time being on the sim bus, it was really great. It gave us a better understanding on how to assess our patients in difficult situations.
I agree. It was a great learning experience.
Closer environment, kind of felt like we're in an ambulance. Kind of felt more like real life.
You could feel the pulses, you could hear the sounds. I'd say that was definitely new and kind of like a good way to practice.